Hey, you know what I was just thinking? Special Olympics are great, right?
Yeah, they are.
I like them. You know what'd be even more amazing? An Ultimate Fighting League where challenge people fought non-challenge people because they're so strong. I feel like it'd be equal.
They are often very strong. You're right about that. And if just one could win?
It'd be like Seabiscuit.
It wouldn't work. The non-challenged person would always win.
You don't know that, Chad. You don't know that. Okay, so don't say that. Because think about if it was even, how amazing that would be. A level playing field.
But it wouldn't be. We have more speed, more coordination, more agility.
Can I ask you a question real quick, buddy?
Oh, geez.
Stop it.
Me?
Yeah, you have Down syndrome, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, sure. Do you think a fight between someone with Down syndrome and someone without Down syndrome, do you think that'd be fair?
Someone without?
Yeah, like, I don't know, some schmuck, stupid ass. Like this guy. If we're looking at this guy, right over here.
I thought you said someone without.
I don't have Down syndrome. Just FYI.
Between you guys, do you think that'd be a fair fight?
I could beat the living shit out of this guy.
Yeah, sure you could. Mm-hmm.
No, I think you could too. I think you could too.
You honestly don't think I could beat up a...
Say it. Say it.
Never mind.
That's what I thought, retard.
Hey, you're a retard! Is that what you want?
We're not really gonna do this, are we?
Yeah, I'm sick of people like him.
I'm sick of people like you!
That sounded awful. I didn't mean that.
I'm going to kick your ass.
Oh, yeah? You gonna kick my ass? Well, bring it, bitch!
Hold on.
Bring it,
hold
bitch!
Hold on.
Okay, thank God, please. I just want to say congratulations, okay? On being the very first match of the Special People versus Non-Special People Ultimate Fighting Championship. Thank you guys so much, okay? Here are the ground rules. No punching, no eye gouging, no kicking, just wrestling.
Wait, I can't roundhouse him.
You can't roundhouse anybody, dude. You don't know how to roundhouse.
I know how to roundhouse.
Fantastic, roundhouse like crazy.
What?
He gets one special, okay?
This isn't Mortal Kombat.
Okay, you don't want a special?
I Indian burn.
You Indian burn?
Yeah.
Sure do. Okay, you guys ready? This is it! This is huge! Fight!
Oh, guess what? Regular people rule and special people suck, motherfucker.
Oh my God!
Oh, Indian burn! This is not funny. No, it's kinda. Give it a second.
I got stuff.
No, sit down. Step out! Step out! Tap out! Oh, that's it, bitch! Oh. He's got Down syndrome, asshole!
Bitch!